Hey, Facebook, what's going on? You know who it is. I am at an open house. I'm going to let you check it out in a second. But first off, I just want to say happy Memorial Day to you. And I'm going to let you check this house off. It's 10468 Nieto Court in Rancho Cordova. Yeah. All right. So this is it. You see the cul-de-sac, right? We at the back of the cul-de-sac, so you know the other side got a nice big lot in the back, and you hear the dog in the back barking. But he won't be here when you take this house over. So 10468 Rancho Cordova, nice crib, man. Nice crib. We gonna come on in. Here's the entryway right here. Close the door. Here's the entryway. You can see the kitchen. Got the ceiling fan popping, keeping it cool in here. Nice floors. Yeah, man, this is cool. This is a cool spot. And then we have come over here to the family room. You got a fireplace, TV on top. Comfortable for the fam. Yes, sir. So now you can go to the backyard or go to the bedrooms. Backyard, bedrooms. Which way should I go? Which way should I go? Hey, that's E40. Which way should I go? Which way should I go? Okay. All right. So we got the backyard. Got the backyard over here. We got the grass. Got the shed already. You know, you got the heater out here, so you know he been kicking it. And then what do we got right here? Sparky. Sit. Hey, that guy trained. He don't come with the house though. So then you got the nice yard over here. Big. It's 4 o'clock. We got a nice amount of shade. Quiet. Talking to that dog like he's mine. And then you come over here. What? You got the nice pool. What? Pool. And then let's go over here so you can see what's really going down. You got the big old chair. Got some chairs over here so you can see how he kicking it, right? And then bing over here in the corner. You got the spot. You got the table. You can slap some bones. Pop! 15 days in the county jail. What? And then here we go. It's time to cool off. Take a deep breath, y'all. See it? You see it? Bing. Yes. All the equipment is new. Nice pad. You guys interested in the house? It's $500,000 in Sacramento. I mean, this is Rancho Cordova. You know, give your boy a call. Get you in. I'm not a realtor. I'm just a lender. So don't try to get me on that. Now some of y'all be doing what you do. But, you know, that's me for today. Get ready to go to the track meet. Watch my son. I'll see y'all. Peace out. A506.